In this video, I am going to show you how to change leverage in your XM account. So sometimes you may want to trade, you have a specific amount of money in your balance, but you are unable to place a trade. That is likely because of insufficient funds. It will be written to you as an error, not enough money, and that is because of your leverage. So it is better you change the leverage, and I'm going to show you how to go about that on your XM app. Click and log into your XM account. So it will bring you to this page. You are going to select the type of account, your trading account, that you want to change the leverage. So at the top left hand corner, you can see where to change your account. This drop down menu, click on it, and you are going to select your accounts here, any one that you want to specifically change the leverage on it. This is what you are going to do. So for this one now, this is what is selected, and that is what is appearing here. If I want for this, I will click on it. You see, it will switch to that account that I just click on. And when you come back to the upper left hand corner, click again at that drop down, it will bring this, and it has already switched to this other new one. So you can see the leverage on this account is 1 to 1000. This is it. So if you want to change it, you are going to click on manage account here, manage. So click manage. Then you are going to see the option of change leverage. So you can click and change the leverage, then select, click this drop down menu, and you can see the leverage here. Now the maximum leverage has already been selected for this particular account, which is 1 to 1000. But maybe you don't know how to set your stop loss, or you don't know how it works. As a beginner, you may want to reduce, or you are not yet disciplined regarding risk management. So you want to reduce your leverage as well, so that even when you want to open a large lot size by mistake, it will not allow you, it will prevent you from making that type of mistake. Okay, so you can either change it to 1 to 100 or 1 to 500, whichever type of leverage you want. Just to show you, I can click this 1 to 100, and you see it is already set. Then click change leverage. So the leverage has been changed to 1 to 100. So it depends on whatever you want to be doing with it. You can decide to increase it to allow you to open more positions with a small amount of money, or you can reduce it to prevent you from making mistakes. Okay, so if you have any other question regarding how to change your leverage on XM, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.